Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name on your profile on Temu. So I want to mention that there's two ways how to actually change your name. One is on your Temu profile and the other is on your address. So let's start with the profile. Go ahead and click on you at the bottom there. On the upper left of your phone, go ahead and click on your picture. You will see a picture again, tap on that. It's going to take you over to your profile and this is showing you your name here. So you tap on that and you can change the name here. That is going to change the name on your team profile, but it does not update your name on your address. Now another way how to do that now is if you go to your address. So if I go back, you will see addresses under your account there. So as you can see, I click on you want to click on addresses and you want to go ahead and click and edit. From here you will see the option change your name as well. Once you've made the changes here, click and save at the bottom, and that's going to also change your name there as well. But that's it.